Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chalice Crystal, and on this channel we are in our journey of health and wellness and just having an overall healthy lifestyle. I just named this series New to Fit because I am definitely new to the whole health and wellness journey. I'm learning as I go. I am teaching myself. I am viewing from others. If you guys have good advice, tips that you want to share that you learned, you could definitely drop them in the comments. We're definitely here to build and bloom together. So if this is something, or if you're interested in this channel and what I have to give, don't forget to thumbs me up, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you can get more videos like this. So today we are meal prepping. The only thing I'm not prepping is breakfast, but we are prepping a dinner meal, 2 lunch meals, and a snack. I'll tell y'all what we're having, or what we're gonna be making. For dinner, we are making spaghetti with meat sauce. So our protein is ground turkey. That's my choice. For our first lunch meal, we're doing a sweet potato taco bowl. And yes, we're using ground turkey again. So we're using 1 protein with 2 different meals. Our second lunch item is going to be a chicken salad. And then for our snack, we're going to do a fruit bowl. And I hope this video won't be too long because I am also filming for TikTok and Instagram. So y'all getting the real behind the scenes, okay? Y'all getting the real tea. So I don't want to spend hours on this. The meals that I am making are pretty easy. They are actually easy. Everything is should take less than 30 minutes if you was making it one by one, of course. So everything is pretty easy. If you have a busy schedule, if you are a college student, a high school student, if you're someone who just wants to have meals prepped and ready but don't want the hassle, don't want it to be a long prep thing, or just something quick and fast, these are definitely meals that you can definitely do on your own. The ingredients are very simple and straight to the point. Further ado, let's get to the cooking. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move all my ingredients all over here on this counter, and I'm just going to stock them in each meal that I'm making, so it'll be easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And do y'all not see the arm work though? Like the arm? Okay, upper body is coming in. First thing I'm gonna do, because in my salad I'm putting in some eggs, so I'm going to put on 4 eggs on hot water and let it boil. Okay, moving on, we're going to turn our stoves on, a little fan on. Okay, so our water in the back is boiling for our spaghetti. I have 2 pans. We're going to put our ground turkey, 1 for our sweet potato bowl and 1 for our spaghetti meat sauce. While that is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my sweet potatoes, clean them off. We have 2 sweet potatoes. Our taco meat is done. When you're making your ground turkey for your meat sauce, to kill the turkey flavor, you want to use a gracious amount of basil. That's how you don't have it smelling like turkey, you know? It will it's not going to taste like ground beef, but you just want to use a gracious amount of basil. And when I mean gracious, I mean make sure you put a lot of that on there, okay? So for our meat sauce, we're going to do a red bell pepper, a green bell pepper, and just an onion. We chopped it up. This is how it's looking. My sauce that I'm gonna use is Prego. This is the tomato, basil, and garlic. I'm just gonna dump this in here. And then I'm gonna put some water in here and add it. Oh my God, y'all are really out here cooking with me. Okay, this is a good question. We're about to do a poll. Do sugar belong in spaghetti? I put brown sugar in my spaghetti. I don't want it super sweet, but I put a little bit of brown sugar in my spaghetti. I definitely do. Let's do the poll because that's really a controversial question. Like, okay, so I just put the timer on for our sweet potatoes. In the meantime, I'm going to clean up as I go because my pet peeve is a dirty kitchen. Like, I just cannot work around mess. So I'm about to wash the dishes that I used already, clean around my stove, get things in order. I did finish our spaghetti meat sauce. So this is how it's looking. I have it on cool. So it's like a little bright. I don't know if y'all can really tell. The light is kind of messy with it. Y'all can see it when it's done, but it looks so good. And I have it on a very low setting. First meal is done, which is our spaghetti. Our ground turkey is also done for our sweet potato bowl. So now we just have to cut up our sweet potatoes, but we'll get to there. So let me just clean up, come back to you guys. I'm gonna go in and cut up our sweet potato. I like to keep the skin on, but I am gonna cut off the ends. And any part that kind of looks disgusting to me, I'm not going to use it. Any little hairs or anything like that, I'm going to cut it off. And that's another thing too, like I don't follow people recipes to the T. I kind of like do what I like I know my sense of taste, so I could just look at something and be like, oh, I can make. Why would my battery ever die on you guys? So like that is so rude. Gonna do adobo, black pepper on there, and cayenne pepper, and garlic powder, some Italian dressing. Give it a nice mix. So I put it in there for 35 minutes. So moving on, we're going to start our chicken for our salad. I had some leftover chicken that I had made the other day. Our chicken's already seasoned. I just have to throw it in the pan. This kind of things where they make fancy. Don't it look good? And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. Our chicken is done. Looking good. I feel like the highlight, guys. We're gonna cut up our eggs. So I'm going to use baby spring mix. And if not the price be that, I like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. It's not the way that you want me to tell me with this all thing because I never tried it, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. So I'm gonna add cherry tomatoes. We got spring mix, egg, cherry tomatoes, and chicken. Looking good, looking good. I am officially getting tired. What time is it? 12:30. I'm about to put my corn and beans on the stove real quick just to simmer it down so I can put my taco bowl together. And then lastly, we need to do our snack, which is our fruits. I have to cut up some fruits. We are moving on to our sweet potato taco bowl. I don't even think I need to add pico or avocado on here. This looks so good. Look at, stop playing with me. It looks so good. I'm about to cut up all the fruits. First thing I'm going in is honey gemelo. It's so good. We have vanilla, blueberry, strawberry, mango. It looks so good, huh? Ooh, I did that. Oh my God. We have finally came to the end of our meal prep. It is 1:55, 3 hours. That's not bad, but I feel like it took a little longer because I was also recording for Instagram. I'm super happy. This is my first big girl meal prep where I did lunch, dinner, snack, and I know I'll be able to eat really well throughout the week. I feel like I'm straight. Do you feel like the meals I made were super easy and beginner friendly? Because I think they were. If you would like more videos like this, you already know what to do. Make sure you thumbs me up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Did you like the video? Do you want more videos like this? Was the meal prep really easy to follow? I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys. Although it was a lot of work, I feel like next time, if I don't film for both Instagram and TikTok and just for YouTube, I feel like it would be more like, it wouldn't take that long. But other than that, I'm happy. I know I'll be eating real good throughout the week. I'm going to actually use one of the bowls tonight, and I'm going to try the taco bowl, and I'm just gonna put cottage cheese because I never had this before. I always make my pasta like this, so I already know what that's hitting for. But I never had this before, so I'm definitely gonna eat this right now because I am starving. And thank you so much for tuning in to another upload. This is the New to Fit diaries, taking it all in, my health and wellness era, my health and wellness journey, eating well, trying to prep my meals, just trying to be intentional with life, period. Like, I feel like once you're intentional with life and plan and just go about thinking about what you would do or what you want to do instead of just winging it, I feel like you have more purpose. Like, just wake up every day with a purpose. And I feel like today my purpose was to meal prep, you know. It was intentional. I knew I was doing this versus just winging stuff. So that's another thing I'm learning, me in my fitness journey, me in my health and wellness journey, is just to like be intentional about your living, be intentional about your life, be intentional about things you want to do. Wake up and have a plan. And something that I am going by is follow the plan and not your mood. What that means is if you have a plan, stick to it. Do not deter from your plan because you're off on your mood. You know what I'm saying? So follow your plan, not the mood. Thank you so much for watching. I see you guys in my next upload. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And talk to me in my comments and let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see pertaining to health, wellness, and fitness. Let me know and I will be sure to like get on top of that for you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.
I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown.